daddy gonna be like, you just like your daddy.
Yeah.
You just like your daddy. Yeah, what you doing, baby boy? About to go work out.
Go straight.
Yeah. You just like your daddy. You just like your daddy. RJ, you know what I mean? Attack a JR. You just like your daddy. You know what I mean? That's what you gonna say. You gonna say you just like your daddy, boy. My baby. What you doing? You about to go work out? My dad used to always do that. Be in the garage. If I want to get 2 dumbbells. My dad used to always do that. He have 2 dumbbells. He has 2 dumbbells and 2 dumbbells and a curl bar. You feel me? Curl bar and 2 dumbbells. Look, he does me 21s. You feel me? 2 dumbbells and a curl bar. You feel me? See my iron copy. Yeah. Boy, you just like your dad. Oh, my cousin Bub here. My cousin Bub here.